easier to modify an existing document than to create one from scratch, and then save the modified file with a new name. In this lesson, you learn to open an existing file and save a file with a new name. We want to create a budget for this year's corporate meeting, and we could type in all the information from scratch, like this. But instead, we'll create this file by opening last year's budget and saving it with this new name. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll go to the Start screen. I'll type EXC. I'll click Excel 2013, and the app starts. I'll click Open Other Workbooks. I'll click Computer, and I'll click Browse. And the Open dialog box appears, where you can navigate to any available drive or folder to locate a file. In step 2, I'll navigate to where my data files are stored. For me, that's my USB flash drive in this Office Unit A folder. In step 3, I'll click the file office-a-1.xlsx. Then I'll click the Open button. And the file opens in Excel. An Excel file is an electronic spreadsheet. So this document is basically a grid of rows and columns where you can enter data and make calculations. Before we make any changes, we want to save this file under a new name. This keeps the original file intact in case we ever need it again, and gives us a copy that we can change. In step 4, I'll click the File tab. And this time I'll click Save As. Then I'll click Browse. And in step 5, in the Save As dialog box, I'll navigate to where I store my data files. I want to save my new file on my flash drive, so this location is perfect. Then, down in the File Name text box, I'll type OFA-Budget for Corporate Meeting. Then I'll click Save. The original file closes automatically, and up in the title bar, you can see that our new file name now appears. When you're working in Excel, you enter data into these different cells, which are formed by the intersection of a row and a column. For instance, this cell is located at the intersection of column D and row 9, so it's called cell D9. In step 6, I'll click down here in cell A19. And this is where you'd type your name. Then I'll press the Enter key. The entry is accepted and the cell pointer moves down to cell A20. In step 7, up on the Quick Access toolbar, I'll click the Save button. And my changes to the file are saved. To try these steps yourself and to see some additional tips, turn to page Office 10 in your book. You can also explore some additional options for opening files and learn more about working in compatibility mode.